Hi and welcome. So today we'll be discussing the 2024 Applied Maths paper question 12b, which is from circular motion. Okay, so this looks like an easy question. Okay, so let's get started with it. So it says the vertical cross section perpendicular to the horizontal axis of a fixed hollow right circular cylinder of radius a with smooth inner surface is shown in the adjoining figure. The point O, its center, and AB are the two ends A, and this is B, are the ends of the horizontal diameter. A particle P of mass m is projected vertically downward direction from A on the inner surface of the cylinder with speed u. Let v be the speed of P. Okay, so this is v, the speed of P. Then OP has tan an angle theta with P is in contact with the cylinder. So they are saying show that v squared is equal to u squared plus 2ga sin theta. So they are saying us to show this. So what can we do? So there are only two theories in circular motion. One is the conservation of energy. Secondly, applying F equal m. So let's apply conservation of mechanical energy over here. Conservation of mechanical energy. And let's take this as the Gp is equal to 0 line. We can take any point as Gp is equal to 0 line. This is Gp equal 0 line. And let's apply conservation of mechanical energy. Okay. So let's consider what's the energy over here. So there's not going to be any gravitation potential energy over here because this is the Gp is equal to 0 line. So we can say half mu squared. Due to gravitation potential energy, it's going to be 0 over here. That is equal to, the speed is v over here. You can say half mv squared. And there's going to be a energy due to gravitational potential. So we could say this as 90 minus theta. And if this is A, this is also A. And this part over here is A cos 90 minus theta. This part over here is A cos 90 minus theta. What is that? A cos 90 minus theta is A sin theta. So we could say minus mg A sin theta. So let's multiply this by 2. We can cancel m over here. We can say u squared is equal to v squared minus 2ga sin theta. And there we go, we have v squared is equal to u squared plus 2ga sin theta. Okay. And secondly, they are saying it is given that P leaves the inner surface of the cylinder when theta is equal to 7 pi over 6. Show that u is equal to square root of 3ga over 2. Okay. So what are they saying? P leaves the inner surface of the cylinder. So the condition of a sphere leaving is that it should not go in a circular motion. So we'll mark the forces over here. So we can say this is the weight. So when attempting questions like this and the relative acceleration question, it is very advisable to mark every single force which is needed for the question. So we can say this as R. And this angle over here, we can say what? 90 minus theta. Same over here. 90 minus theta. And this is the normal reaction. So we can say for the particle to leave the inner surface of the cylinder, R should be 0. So we can say for the particle to leave, R is equal to 0 at theta is equal to 7 pi over 6. Theta is equal to 7 pi over 6. So what is the reason for me to write like this? 7 pi over 6. What is pi over 6? Pi over 6 is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. 30 degrees times 7. That is theta is equal to 210 degrees. So we might need it. So let's apply first of all F equal m. So there are only two theories, which is conservation of energy and applying F equal m. So let's think within that. So we can say R, we are applying it towards the center. We can say R minus mg is going to be mg cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is mg sin theta. That is equal to mv squared over a. So we could say R is equal to mg sin theta plus m over a. V squared we know. V squared is u squared plus 2ga sin theta. Okay. So now they are saying theta is equal to 7 pi over 6. And we know r is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to mg. We can say sin pi sin 7 pi over 6 plus m over a u squared plus 2ga sin 7 pi over 6. Okay. So let's come to over here. They are asking for sin 210. So when we look at the trigonometric tables, look at trigonometry, it's coming all over combined maths. So we know all STC. So 210 is an angle like this. This is in the third quadrant. The third quadrant, only tan is positive. The third quadrant, only tan is positive. So what we can say over here is, we could cancel m over here. We could cancel the m. So we could say g equal 0 is equal to g. What is sin pi by 6? We know pi sin pi by 6 is half. But sin 7 pi by 6 is 210. So it is going to be minus half. So we can say g times minus half plus 1 over a times u squared plus 2ga times minus half. So this half and this half I can cancel. So I could say g over 2 is equal to g. I'm taking this to here. So it's going to be g over 2 and I'm taking this a also to here. So we can say ag over 2 is equal to u squared minus ga. So I'll write it as ga. So I can say u squared is equal to ga over 2 plus ga. So I can say u squared is equal to 3ga over 2. U is equal to square root of 3ga over 2. So it feels like it is a very simple question this time. So there are only two theories. It is applying F equal ma towards the center and conservation of energy. So think within that, and it is a very easy question. So make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel, and we'll find out another video like this. Thank you.